How to download YouTube videos on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can download YouTube videos on Android. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can download YouTube videos. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to download the YouTube videos, first of all, launch your YouTube application and log in into your account. After that, you just need to head over to the video that you want to download. So let's say this one right here. So here you can see under your subscriber, under the subscribe button, you can find the download option. But unfortunately, we can't download this video here because it is restricted by the music owner. But if you want to download the music, if you want to download the restricted video by the music owner, you may just go and get the YouTube Premium plans. There are different kind of plans. Each month you may just look for the one which is more affordable to you, and after that is done, you may just go on with the process of downloading the video that is restricted by the user. Otherwise, if the user has not restricted video, just this one right here, you can see the download option very easily. Just click on download. After that, you may just select the download quality and tap on download. After that, that video will be downloaded on your device. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to download videos on YouTube on Android very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.